Kia ora tātou. Wherever you are watching this in New Zealand, I hope that you're safe and well in your bubble as we work our way through the 4 weeks of lockdown for COVID-19. In New Zealand Red Cross, we're very busy with a whole range of essential services across Aotearoa, and I just wanted to take a moment to give you a glimpse of some of the activities that we're involved in. Our disaster welfare support teams are currently supporting the community-based testing centre in Wanganui, and that includes cleaning medical equipment and working with people as they come along to be tested to ensure that they stay safe and don't get out of their vehicles. Across in Hawke's Bay, the same team is supporting people who need pharmacy supplies and aren't in a category to be able to go and access them themselves. And up in Katikati, our community response team are dropping off food and connecting with the elderly. Across the whole country, our Meals on Wheels services has continued, which is fantastic. And that's no mean feat because that needs 3,300 volunteers across 33 locations. A lot of our volunteers had to step down because they're over 70 and in the vulnerable category, but the whole community has rallied together, including probably many of you who've come forward to volunteer. And as a result, all our rosters are full and we've been able to continue that service. Not only does it provide a warm meal, but it also gives a connect and a social interaction for people who receive the meals every day. Over in our migration space, we're continuing to work with our former refugee community, and that means checking in remotely every day with 358 families across the country in 8 different settlement locations. We've also managed to translate the Ministry of Health COVID-19 guidelines into 11 different languages to ensure that as many parts of the community as possible have access to the critical information at this time. And finally, in that community, we're working together on self-isolation plans so that if anybody in a household needs to go into self-isolation, we ensure that there's enough food and warm clothing to be able to work through whatever time they need to be in isolation. There's many more things we're doing, and a lot of it's down to the help that we get from you in the various different ways that you support us, are a part of the community. So thank you individually for what you're doing. Thank you to the whole Red Cross family for what we're doing together. And it's lovely to see community coming together in such a time of uncertainty. So take care, kia kaha, and thank you again.